Welcome to Module 3, everyone. Now in Module 3, we're going to look at risk assessment and threat identification, risk prioritization. Risk assessment and threat identification are fundamental components of public health preparedness, aiming to anticipate, evaluate, and prioritize hazards and their impacts on communities. Risk assessment in public health involves systematically analyzing various factors that pose a threat to public health systems, considering their likelihood, severity, and potential consequence. It encompasses natural disasters, pandemics, bioterrorism, environmental hazards, and other health-related emergencies. Through risk assessment, public health authorities identify vulnerabilities, assess the likelihood of occurrence, and evaluate their potential impact on the community's health infrastructure. Threat identification and risk prioritization are critical steps in following risk assessment. It involves recognizing specific hazards or threats that have been identified through the assessment process. Now, prioritization is key, highlighting the most imminent or severe risks that can significantly disrupt public health systems or pose threats to the community public health. Public health professionals employ various methodologies, including scenario planning, historical data analysis, and expert consultation to assess risk and identify potential threats. Once identified, these threats are then prioritized based on factors such as their probability of occurrence, potential severity, and impact on the public health infrastructure and community well-being. This process guides the allocation of resources, development of mitigation strategies, and the formulation of preparedness plans. By prioritizing risks, public health entities can focus on allocating resources effectively, implementing preventative measures, and developing targeted response plans to address the most critical threats effectively. Ultimately, risk assessment and threat identification serve as proactive measures in public health, enabling authorities to anticipate and prepare for potential emergencies, enhancing community resilience, and ensuring a timely and effective response to safeguard public health. Now, your Module 3 assignment is to prepare a 5-page paper synthesizing the importance of using FEMA's Threat Identification and Risk Assessment Guide when developing public health disaster plans. And be sure to address the following areas in your paper. Identify the threats of hazards of concern, give threats and hazard a context, establish capabilities targets, and apply the results. Now be sure to consult FEMA's Threat Hazard Identification and Risk Assessment Guide to help you with this paper assignment. And also please remember to use APA when writing your paper using proper formatting. And as always, if you have any questions or you need my help, please let me know.